Welcome back to Power Ignition. We are Power and Ignition's on the camera, by the way. So yes, there he is. Alright, today we have a very quick unboxing of a RC car that I own, and it is the Mad Wagon VE. Okay, this one I got it in the blue color, so yeah, very nice. So let's quickly just show you the box, one side, and then this side, and then this side, and then the last side. Alright, so underneath there's nothing. Alright, so let's open up this. Alright, it's already been opened before, so it's not this first voyage. Alright, so there we go. Have a look inside here. That's what it looks like when it comes straight from factory. Alright, so we have this extra protection. Okay, we have the main event itself, the car. So yes, just quick showcase, and it has a metal chassis, so you can hear. Hold on, there we go. Okay, put this down here for a while, and then we have a bag full of goodies. So binding plug, if you can see there, instruction manual or manual if you're Mexican or Spanish. Okay, and then we got these books full of goodies. We have the remote controller. Right, very nice controls. Sponge or foam angled control, settings and all that, and power switches here. So yep, very nice. And have some spare parts and maybe some mini tools. Alright, so that's in this bag. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of this bad boy down here. So yes, we'll be testing this out probably on 2S, because that's all I have right now. Once I get some 3S batteries, we'll go for 3S power. Alright, and we'll do quitting. Alright, that's it. Take care. Hello and welcome back to Power Ignition. We are back again to test out the lovely Mad Wagon on 2S power. Alright, so yeah, we're here. Lovely area, lovely open space to test out the car. So here it is on 2S power. Alright, check this bit out.